Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play two-player on NBA 2K24 Xbox. Hold the Xbox button on the second controller and sign into a second profile or guest immediately to link both pads. From the main menu, pick Play Now or a local mode, then follow on-screen prompts to assign controllers to teams and choose lineups. I will walk you through controller mapping, team selection, and common troubleshooting tips to get started quickly. Make sure both controllers are active and each player has a profile or guest account linked to their controller. Open Settings, go to Controller Settings, and confirm button layouts, vibration, and stick sensitivity for each pad. If a controller won't join, try power cycling it or resyncing with the console. I'll explain quick fixes and how to switch between presets so both players can play comfortably with minimal fuss. Quick recommendation: if you're grabbing snacks between games, these leak-proof containers are a great pick for meal prep and keeping drinks separate from controllers. They seal tight, stack neatly, and save time so you can focus on the match without spills. If you're finding this guide useful, subscribe and like the video to support more tips like this. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose Play Now or Local Multiplayer, then pick teams and set quarter length and difficulty for each player to match your session. Use automatic substitutions or manually set rotations so both players feel involved. If one player prefers offense, tweak coach settings or play calling to create balanced matchups. I'll also share how to save custom lineups and avoid accidentally dropping a controller during substitutions, keeping the game flowing smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.